Hello my dear children of class 2. So children, how are you all? Today in EVS we will continue with the chapter Houses Around Us. So children, a good home. What is a good home? Is this a good home? No, this is not tidy. This is not clean. Okay? Now say this. Is this a good home? Yes, because it is so neat and clean, right? So, a good home should always be kept neat and clean. A good home should be airy and well ventilated. And also, it should have enough of sunlight because the sunlight kills the germs in the air. Doors and windows should be covered with net, the wired net. Why? Do you know? Because so that the mosquitoes and the flies doesn't come inside and then there is no spread of diseases. Fine? Because mosquitoes and flies, they carry diseases. So we have to make our home a good home by using net wires on windows and doors. A good home. The house we live in is called a home, right? And we have lot of fun in the house, in our home, isn't it? We spend most of our time in our home, so we need our home to be neat and clean. We like to live in a good home. A good home is kept clean and neat. It has doors and windows that allow fresh air and sunlight to enter the rooms. Sunlight kills germs in the air. So when there is sunlight, what happens? Whatever germs, the hiding germs, because of the sunlight, sun rays, those germs are killed. Okay? Otherwise, if there is no proper sunlight, what will happen? We may fall sick because there will be diseases because of these germs, right? So we should have a proper window, proper door and enough of sunlight. A good home also has wire netting on doors and windows to stop flies and mosquitoes from coming in. So you see here, wire netting is done on the windows and even on doors. Fine? Now, flies and mosquitoes spread diseases. Ventilation. Now, let us understand what do you mean by ventilation. Now, children, look at this picture. Okay, you can see some arrows in and out. So, we will talk now about ventilation. When you see a window and there's a small opening here, okay, this is called ventilator. Fine? So, we know that we are staying in the house, we are in the room, there's warm air inside the room. So what happens? This warm air rises and goes outside this ventilator. It moves out and we get fresh air. So it goes on like this. The warm air goes outside through the ventilator and fresh air comes in. So this is very important, to have ventilation in our house. Fine? So this is ventilator. Ventilation. The way air moves around inside a room or a house is called ventilation. Okay, so that you keep getting fresh air. The stale air goes outside our home, outside the room, and we get fresh air. A good home has good ventilation in order to allow fresh air to move inside a room. A ventilator. As I showed you, this is the ventilator. A ventilator is an opening near the ceiling of a room. Either it is just below the ceiling or you will find along with the window, the opening here. What is the role of this ventilator? Warm and stale air rises up and goes out from the ventilator. Fresh air comes in from the windows to take its place.
This is how ventilation takes place inside a house. So to keep a house fresh, to give fresh air to a house, ventilation is very, very important.
Now next is how to keep your home clean. Would you like to stay in a house where there is no cleanliness? No, we don't like, we will not enjoy, isn't it?
So the place where we live, we need to keep that place, that area clean, isn't it? Yes, what we have to do for that? We should keep our homes neat and clean. Now, in a good home, things are kept in their proper places. As we have seen in the picture, the things are properly arranged, right? It should be neat and clean. The room should be kept tidy. The rooms are cleaned and things are dusted regularly. Garbage is thrown in the dustbin, okay? And dustbin should always have a cover. Never leave the garbage open. What will happen? The flies will come, it will sit on garbage, and again it will go and sit on the food. So we should also cover the garbage. There are no flies and mosquitoes inside the house. So a good home should have no flies and mosquitoes inside. And for that, what we have to do? We have to use net on the doors and windows. Toilets and kitchens are kept clean. How will you keep the toilets and kitchens? By cleaning regularly. Fine. Water, food and electricity are not wasted. So that when you use water, we have read that, right, in the previous chapters, we should use water carefully and should not throw food, okay? And electricity are not wasted. So in a house, if you see the fan is on and no one is using it, so kindly switch off the fan. So you are saving electricity. Fine.
Next is decoration of houses. We all like decorations, isn't it, children? Yes, we like to decorate ourselves also when we go for any parties, right? Same way, where we live, we want to make that place look beautiful. So what we have to do? We have to do some decoration to our houses, right? Which will look nice. And then you enjoy living in a good place, beautiful place, isn't it? So now let's read from the book.
Now, decoration of houses. We like to decorate our homes to make them look nice. Right, children? So we use many things like flowers, paintings, photographs and wall hangings to make the house look colorful. People also decorate the floors of their houses with carpets and floor art. So children, we have come to the end of the chapter. Fine. Kindly do the reading of today's lesson. We'll meet again in the next video. Till then, bye children.